Hello, I'm Stephen Phipson.
Steph McGovern.
Alexi Williams.
I'm Richard Harrington.
Alistair Morris.
Andrea Wilson.
I'm the Chief Executive of Make UK.
We're ready for some serious action.
So today is the National Manufacturing Conference. We have hundreds of manufacturers here today. It's a great opportunity for manufacturers to network with each other and also hear really from some of the big political commentators and politicians.
To be part of this event every year and see the changes that come in, the conversations around skills and the future of the industry. I always learn so much from it.
We say that we must start taking bold steps now to boost the economic prosperity of the UK. For Britain's manufacturing sector, that starts today.
We have absolutely world-class brains. Our problem is not brains, it is translating that into world-class businesses. So I refuse to be pessimistic, actually, about our position.
The day is absolutely crucial for the sector. It gives us a platform here in Westminster to use our voice as an industry to get us up to the top of the agenda. Manufacturing is not at the top of the agenda often enough.
We're really good in Britain at AI and tech. We're really good in Britain at defence. You can combine those two with the additional spending that we're putting in over the next few years. And I think there are big opportunities.
This event's important to my company because of the opportunities it brings for us to network with others, for us to be able to share experiences, market trends, and also to be able to get the voice of the smaller businesses across to people like Make UK and other organisations like them.
It is always a proper pleasure. We don't always get it in this postcode, but to be in the company of innovators, entrepreneurs, employers.
These events are so important to make awareness of the industry, make awareness of how manufacturing is growing within the UK and how we as a country can really develop and grow that and bring more people into the industry from a whole range of diverse backgrounds.
That's how I approach challenges. It's just like they can be overcome. You don't know how long it's going to take to overcome them. As long as you can focus that energy wisely and overcome them, you might end up in a different position, different place, but you'll have succeeded.
Because it's easy to say the UK does services, but we do a lot of manufacturing, and a lot of professional services feed off manufacturing itself. For example, in the financial sector, banking and everything else. So a vibrant manufacturing sector is really important.
As a managing director of an SME, it's really important to be able to step away from the coalface sometimes and to take a wider, broader look and to meet up with some friends and colleagues who I've known over the years. So all in all, a good day.
Skills.
Connection.
Collaborative.
Skills.
Influence.
Educational.
Learning.
Skills.